So next we will work on Google Search Console. Now search for Google Search Console. And now you have to add your domain here. Our domain is digital coupon code, so you will write it down here. You can continue. Now you have to add this code to your cPanel. Copy this and go back to the cPanel section. Click on domain. Where is our domain? Click on manage. Modify the zone. Add record. Type your domain address here. Click on txt and type your code. Add your code. It will take time to be authorized, so no worry. You can click on verify. It says ownership verification failed, as it will take time to verify, so just wait and see. Now you can click on verify later, or you can simply use the URL prefix option. It's more easier than this domain option. So you have to paste your domain address with HTTPS and then click on continue. Checking verification. Full detail verify HTML code. HTML tag. This is the HTML tag. You can copy it and you have to paste this code to your dashboard. So go back to the dashboard. Go to the setting. There is the page. So now you have to add a new plugin named insert header and footer. Install now. In this way you will install all of your required plugin. Activate and then go to the setting and insert header and footers. You have to paste the copied code here in the header. Click on save. Go back to the Google Search Console. Click on verify. Checking verification. Yeah, ownership verified. Successfully we verified our Google Search Console and domain. In this way you can simply verify your domain to Google Search Console. And you know, Google Search Console is basically a free service of Google. you can get different analytics or insights of your website with the help of this Google Search Console. You can see its overview, performance. You will get different data regarding the performance of the website, its coverage, its sitemaps. Now we will add the sitemaps for the domain. So we will take the help from Yoast SEO, go to General, click on Webmaster Tools. You can also paste the code here as well. XML sitemap. See the XML sitemap. Here is the XML sitemap. Basically, all of those are okay. Paste, post styles, listing types, category, author sitemap. You can just copy this section. Now you can paste the sitemap underscore index.xml. It's the URL for the sitemap of this website. Click on submit. Sitemap submitted successfully, and you will see the status is success.